Hello everyone, you are very welcome to EnglishLogica.com. Have you ever had to tie up some loose ends before submitting a project? When someone has nearly completed a task but still has some details to finish up, that means they have loose ends to tie up. Let's say you are working on a project, but your manager presents you with a task of higher priority. He says, I need you to quickly tie up any loose ends on your current task. Actually, put it on hold altogether. We need to get a start on this new project that has just come in. In this video, I'm going to explain what English speakers mean when they say, tie up the loose ends. I'll give you some examples to use in the workplace and in social situations, so you'll feel more confident using this popular idiom. Here are some examples you might hear in social situations. All the paperwork is almost complete. We just need to tie up a few loose ends, and the house is yours. When all the loose ends are tied up, we'll get the contract signed. Then the player will be transferred to your club. The council has accepted the offer, and discussions are continuing to tie up any potential loose ends. Here are some examples you might hear in professional situations. The ministers are due to have a final meeting to tie up any loose ends before the deal between the two countries is complete. I'm sorry, I can't help you just yet. I'm tying up some loose ends before we release this system update to the company. I need you to do better. There were several loose ends outstanding in your last assignment. Where did you hear the expression, tie up loose ends? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to EnglishLogica or visit EnglishLogica.com for more English idioms you can use in social situations and in the workplace.